Next is imaging spectrometer using linear and area arrays. So this imaging spectrometer, when you see this name in it, usually it simultaneously acquire images in many relatively narrow and continuous spectral bands. So it's usually used for hyperspectral data set. So in this, we see this AVIRS, average data set, CASI, SASI, and MODIS data set, EO1 and LA1, LAC dataset. So this example for the NASA Airborne Visible Infrared Imaging Spectrometer, AVIRS dataset. This is how the camera may look like. So as we can see that if this imaging system can acquire 224 spectrum, that's definitely hyperspectral dataset. And this example how this AVIRS map may look like for Louisiana coastal. And this is example further application for Key West. So this is how true color may look like. False color will look like this because of heavy absorption in this near infrared. So land versus water area boundary is very clear on this image. And then this grayscale image in band 15. So you can see that this texture in the shallow water is very enhanced in this image. So this is application of AVIRS dataset for mineral studies. So typically we use hyperspectral dataset to for certain like vegetation, individual species classification, further mineral description, which is typically challenging for multispectral dataset. And next is MODIS. This is relatively more frequently used for large-scale study, moderate resolution imaging spectrometer. So this is on NASA's EOS, Terra, and aircraft satellites. There's simultaneous observations of high atmosphere, oceanic, and land surface features. It has 705 km sun-synchronous orbit, same with the Landsat dataset, 1 to 2 days for global coverage. This means that they have very high temporal revisit time. So if you are doing coastal water salinity or suspended sediment sampling, you probably won't find dataset like a MODIS that can match more closely with your sampling date. So it has very high radiometric resolution with a 12-bit data type. And you can check this link for more information. This is the spectral band parameters listed for MODIS dataset. So as you can see that they have dataset with high resolution with 250 meter and some band for 500 and some for 1 kilometer studies. MODIS dataset comparing to Landsat is very unique dataset where they offer a series product that is semi-processed for user. So they have this energy balance product suite like surface reflectance, land surface temperature and emissivity, albedo, snow, and sea ice cover, vegetation parameter suite like vegetation indices, LAI, GPP, land cover mapping for land cover vegetation dynamics, vegetation continuous field, vegetation cover change, fire and burned area. So basically, you can directly, for example, you are calculating NAVI or ALII index, you can directly download a product from this emission. So these are the sample for MODIS dataset for band 4 image and band 1 image for 1 day coverage.